Hi students, welcome to the next session. In previous session we completed up to question number 43 in KSET corner of matrices chapter. Now in today's class we continue from question number 44. Okay, all of you observe what is question number 44. The matrix is given 1, 1, minus 1, 1 into x, y is equal to 2, 4. This is the given condition. We need to find the value of x and y. Okay. How to find x, y? Here two matrices are there. I am applying matrix multiplication principle. Row into column. 1 into x, x plus 1 into y, y. This is first row. Second row. Minus 1 into x, minus x plus 1 into y, y is equal to 2, 4. Now equate these two values. X plus y is equal to 2, minus x plus y equals to 4. Simplify, x gets cancelled. Y plus y, 2y is equal to 6, then y is equal to 3. So finally we got y value. Substitute this y value in first condition. X plus 3 is equal to 2. Then x is equal to 2 minus 3. Then x is equal to minus 1. Then finally we got x value is minus 1 and y value is 3. That is nothing but fourth option is the correct answer. Okay. Next we will discuss question number 50. This question is asked in KSET 2019. If P and Q are the symmetric matrices of same order, P and Q both are symmetric matrices of same order. What is condition for symmetric matrix? A dash is equal to A. Okay. Now here you can take P dash is equal to P, Q dash is equal to Q. Because this is a definition for symmetric matrix. Now in this question what we need to find? PQ minus QP. We need to find this PQ minus QP is symmetric or skew symmetric. How to find? I am finding PQ minus QP whole dash. We know one property in transpose. A minus B whole dash is equal to A dash minus B dash. I am applying the principle. That equals to PQ whole dash minus QP whole dash. So we have one more property. AB whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash. First we need to take the second matrix. That equals to PQ whole dash is nothing but Q dash into P dash. Minus QP whole dash is nothing but P dash into Q dash. In place of P dash we will take P. In place of Q dash we will take Q. That is nothing but QP minus P. We will take minus common in this expression. Then what will you get? PQ minus QP. So left side what we have? PQ minus QP whole dash. Here minus symbol is there. Here minus symbol is there. It is nothing but it is not a symmetric. It is skew symmetric matrix. Therefore, PQ minus QP is few symmetric matrix. That is the answer for question number 50. That is nothing but third option is the correct answer. Okay, we will continue the next question, that is question number 51. This question also asked in KCET 2019. See what is question number 51. They given 3a plus 4b dash is equal to 7 minus 10 17 0 6 13. This is the first condition. And second condition, 2b minus 3a dash is equal to minus 1 18 4 0 minus 5 minus 7. These two conditions are given. We need to find the matrix B. Very, very important question. By using these two conditions, we need to find the matrix B. Directly cancellation is not possible because here 3a is there, here 3a dash is there. Here 4b dash is there, here 2b is there. That's why direct cancellation is not possible in this situation. Okay? That's why what will happen, I am taking the transpose concept for the first condition. Okay? I am applying the transpose condition for the first one. I am taking this first condition, apply transpose. So we need to apply transpose for both. Okay? Here what is the first value? 3a. 3 we can't apply transpose because 3 is a constant. We are applying transpose only for matrix, not for value. So that's why 3 we can write same 3 only. What is transpose of A? That is A dash. Next, 4 is as usual. Here B dash is there. For B dash, if you apply transpose, what will get? B will get. Next. Right side, matrix is there. How to apply transpose for a matrix? A row can be interchanged to column. Okay. Here what is the first row? 7 minus 10, 17. It can be taken as a first column. What is second row? 0, 6, 31. It can be taken as the second column. All of you listen. Here two conditions are given. From these two conditions, we need to find the matrix B. Direct cancellation is not possible. That's why I am applying transpose condition for the first condition. Okay. Now we got one value. Second is I am not applying transpose, as it is I am taking. What is the second one? 2b minus 3a dash. It can be written as minus 3a dash plus 2b. Okay. Matrix is what? Minus 1, 18, 4, 0, minus 5, minus 7. Now, here what will get? 3a dash minus 3a dash cancel. Now, 4b plus 2b, that is nothing but 6b. Okay. Now, right side add these two matrices. 7 minus 1, 6. 0 plus 18, 18. Minus 10 plus 4, minus 6. 6 plus 0, 6. 17 minus 5, 12. 31 minus 7, 24. This is 6b. But we required B matrix. Send 6 this side. B is equal to 1 by 6 into 6, 18, minus 6, 6, 12, 24. Here, each and every value which is present in the matrix is divided by the number 6. Okay? Then 6 by 6, 1, 18 by 6, 3, minus 6 by 6, minus 1, 6 by 6, 1, 12 by 6, 2, 24 by 6, 4. Then finally we got the matrix B, that is 1, 3, minus 1, 1, 2, 4. That is answer for question number 51. That is nothing but second option is a correct answer. Okay. Next, we will discuss the question number 56. Students, those who are facing the internet problem in your place, for the such type of students, I will share the video. Already, yesterday class video I already shared. Okay? If you have a problem in internet, you can go through that video and you can write the notes. Okay? Next, we will discuss the question number 56. Okay. See, what is question number 56? I'll read. If A and B are square matrices of same order, A and B are square matrices of same order. Square matrix is nothing but number of rows, number of columns are equal. Okay. And B is skew symmetric matrix. This is condition. B is skew symmetric matrix. What is condition for skew symmetric matrix? A dash is equal to minus A. That's why we can write B dash is equal to minus B. Okay. Next, what we need to find? Then A dash B A. A dash B A. This is which type of matrix? Okay. Once again listen. Here they mention B is a skew symmetric matrix. Then we need to find A dash into B into A is which type of matrix. First of all, I am applying whole transpose for this. What is the formula for AB whole dash? B dash into A dash. The meaning is, first we need to take the last matrix. Next to second matrix. Next to first matrix. Okay. Now here what is the last matrix? A. Apply transpose. What is the second? B. Apply transpose. What is third? A dash. Apply transpose. Okay. That equals to A dash into, in place of B dash I can take minus B. What is the formula for A dash whole dash? That is nothing but A. A dash whole dash is nothing but A. This minus I will write in the starting. Then minus of A dash B A. Left side what we have? A dash B A whole dash. This is the final condition we got. Observe, in this condition negative value is there, negative symbol is there. If negative symbol is there, it cannot be considered as a symmetric matrix. It is what? Skew symmetric matrix. Therefore, we can write A dash B A, which is which matrix? Skew symmetric matrix. This is the answer for question number 56. That is nothing but third option is the correct answer. So these are the K-set level questions in matrices concept in your material. Next, we will discuss JE level question. Compared to determinants chapter, matrices is having less number of questions. Okay, today and tomorrow I will close the entire matrices problem. Next, sir will start determinants PU chapter. Again, we will continue the objective based on determinants. Determinant having more number of questions compared to matrices. Matrices having less number of questions. So that's why we will close the matrices objective questions of K-set and JE both tomorrow. Okay. Now we will continue the JE main question, that is JE corner. So what are the problems are given in your material in JE level? That question we will discuss. Okay. In JE level, we will discuss the first question. The first question is A matrix is equal to I 0 0 minus I. B matrix is equal to 0 minus 1 1 0. Okay. C matrix is equal to 0 I 0. And we need to find A square is equal to B square is equal to C square is equal to how much? Okay. From this question, A matrix is given, B matrix is given, C matrix is given, and they given A square is equal to B square is equal to C square is equal to how much? That is nothing but A square value, B square value, C square value, 3 are same. You can find any one value, either A square you can find, or B square you can find, or C square you can find. I am finding A square. Okay. Now A square I am finding. A square is nothing but A into A. Okay. What is A matrix? I 0 0 minus A. Again same. I 0 0 minus A. Already we know how to apply matrix multiplication concept, row into column. Okay. Now what we get? I into I square, 0 into anything 0. I into 0 0 plus 0 into I 0. 0 into I 0, I into 0 0. 0 into 0 0 minus I into minus I square. But in first PUC complex numbers chapter, I square value we know. I square value is how much? Minus 1 is a I square value. That's why the answer will be minus 1 0 0 minus 1. We will take one minus common in this. Then what we will get? 1 0 0 1. But 1 0 0 1 is a which matrix? Identity matrix. It is denoted by I. That's why the answer will be equal to minus I. So minus I is the answer for question number 1. That is nothing but third option is the correct answer for this question number 1. Next, we will discuss question number 2. In question number 2, what is given? A matrix is given, B matrix is given. Simple question. We need to find AB. A matrix is equal to 1 2 3 3 1 2 2 3 1. And B matrix also given. Minus 5 7 1 1 minus 5 7 7 1 minus 5. So two matrices are given. We need to find A into B. How to find A into B? Matrix multiplication concept. Row into column. Okay. I am taking first row, first column. 1 into minus 5. 2 1 jars 2. 3 7 jars 20. Next, first row, second column. 1 into 7. 2 into 5. 3 1 jars. Next, first row, third column. 1 into 1. 2 7 jars 14. 3 into minus 5 minus 2. Now calculation done with first row. Next, which row? Second row. Second row, first column. 3 into minus 5 minus 15. 1 into 1 1. 2 7 jars 14. Second row, second column. Now we need to take 3 into 7 21. 1 into minus 5 minus 5. 2 1 jars 2. Second row, third column. 3 1 jars 3. 1 into 7 7. 2 into minus 5 minus 10. Next, third row, first column. 2 into minus 5 minus 10. 3 1 jars 3. 1 into 7 7. Third row, second column. 2 into 7 14. 3 into minus 5 15. 1 into 1 1. Third row, third column. 2 1 jars 2. 3 7 jars 21. 1 into minus 5 minus 5. Now simplify all this. Then A into B equals to 21 plus 2, 23. 23 minus 5, 18. Here 0 will get. Here also 0 will get. Here 0 will get. Here 18 will get. Here 0 will get. 0 will get. 0 will get. 18 will get. Now can I take 18 common? Then AB is equal to. If you take 18 common, then 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 is which matrix? Identity matrix. Therefore, answer will be equal to 18i. This is the answer for question number 2. Okay. Next we will discuss the question number 6. Don't confuse why after second question SAR is explained in 6 question. Between the questions which are there, these are determinants question. Okay. We will discuss that questions later. Next 6th question. A matrix is given. A matrix is A, B, B, A. Next, A square is given alpha, beta, beta, alpha. So, A matrix is given, A square matrix is given, we need to find alpha value and beta value. This A square I can write A into A. Okay. Then A into A is equal to alpha, beta, beta, alpha. A into A matrix is what? A, B, B, A. Again same. A, B, B, A. That equals to alpha, beta, beta, alpha. Apply the concept. First row, A into A square. B into B, B square. A into B, AB plus B into A, AB plus AB to AB. Next, B into A, BA plus B into A, BA plus BA to BA. B into B, B square plus A into A square, then A square plus B square. This is a multiplication. That equals to alpha, beta, beta, alpha. Now compare the both matrices. In place of alpha, what we have? A square plus B square. Alpha value is A square plus B square. In place of beta, what we have? 2A. So finally, we got alpha value and beta value. That is nothing but third option is the correct answer for this question. Okay. Next, we will discuss the question number 13. because between all questions are determinants question, but we are explaining first matrices question. Okay, in 13th question, A equals to 1 0 1 1, I equals to, already we know, 1 0 0 1. Here we need to find one condition in a power n, comma, na, comma, n minus 1 into I. All options included these three values. First option, second option, third option, fourth option included these three values. That's why what we will take, we find these three values separately. Later we can get what is the condition we need to apply for this question number 30. Okay. First, A matrix we know, I am finding A square. A square is nothing but A into A. If you apply, what you will get? 1 0 2 1. I am doing this calculation directly. Okay. Or if you have any doubt, you can apply A into A, you will get same answer. Similarly, if you find A cube, it can be written as A square into A. We get answer 1 0 3 1. Continue this process, then you will get A power n and so on. Then A power n is equal to 1 0 n 1. We got first value. Next I am finding NA. NA means A matrix is multiplied by n. N into 1 n, n into 0 0, n into 1 n, n into 1 n. Second value also over. Now coming to the third value. What is the third value? N minus 1 into I. I am finding that. N minus 1 into I. Then n minus 1 into I means what? 1 0 0 1. That is nothing but each and every element in I is multiplied by n minus 1. Then what will you get? N minus 1 0 0 n minus 1. Then finally we got these three values. From these three values, what is the condition we can observe? A power n is equal to NA minus n minus 1 into I. What is the meaning of this condition? If you subtract these two values, you will get this. Right or not? Yes, because n gets cancelled, you get 1. 0 minus 0, 0, n minus 0, n. And here n and n gets cancelled, you will get 1. Therefore, the final condition is A power n is equal to NA minus n minus 1 into I. This is the answer for question number 13. That is nothing but first option is the correct answer. Okay. Next, we will discuss the last question because the remaining questions are determinants questions. This last question is given in JEE 2019. Okay. Okay, we will discuss the last question. 43. A is equal to cos theta minus sin theta, sin theta, cos theta. this is given, this is matrix A. Then we need to find A power minus 50. This value we need to find. We need to find A power minus 50 when theta is equal to pi by 12. Theta is equal to pi by 12. This question is very very important, and this question asked in JEE 2019. Okay, so we'll discuss how to solve this. So A is given. I'll find A into A dash. That is cos theta minus sin theta cos theta into A dash. Cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. All of you know how to find A dash. The rows can be interchanged to the columns. If you multiply these two matrices, what will get we observe? If you multiply these two, cos into cos square, minus of minus, plus sin into sin square. Cos square theta plus sin square theta 1. Cos into sin minus sin into cos, both cancel 0. Then we'll get 1 0 0 1 we get. 1 0 0 1 is nothing but which matrix? Identity matrix. Then we got A into A dash is equal to I. Already this definition we discussed. A into A dash is equal to I, then A is called orthogonal matrix. For orthogonal matrix we have one more definition, that is A dash is equal to A power minus 1. A dash is already in synopsis we discussed. A dash is equal to A power minus 1. That's why we can write then A power minus 1 is equal to, what is A dash? This row can be interchanged to the column. Cos theta minus sin theta. And second row can be interchanged to the column. Sin theta cos theta. We got A power minus 1. But in question they asked A power minus 50. If you apply principle of mathematical induction concept, then we'll get A power minus n is equal to cos n theta sin n theta minus sin n theta cos n theta. Understood how this value we got? Here power is minus 1. After minus 1 is there, that's why 1 theta. After minus 2 is there, 2 theta. After minus n is there, n theta. That's why we got A power minus n value. But in question we required A power minus 50. That's why in place of n we are substituting 50. Okay, let n is equal to 50. Okay, then A power minus 50 is equal to cos 50 theta sin 50 theta minus sin 50 theta cos 50 theta. But here theta is how much? Pi by 12. Theta is pi by 12. In rough I am doing the calculation. 50 theta, that is nothing but 50 into pi by 12. Okay, simplify this. 2 6 jars, 225 jars. Pi by 6 is nothing but 30. 25 just 750 degrees. 30 25 just 750 degrees. Indirectly, we need to find cos 750, sin 750. Sin 750 value is 1 by 2. In first year trigonometry, cos 750 value is root 3 by 2. I am using this concept here. Okay. 50 theta, finally we got 750. Sin 750 value is 1 by 2. Cos 750 value is root 3 by 2. Substitute that values here. Then what will get? A power minus 50 is equal to cos 750, that is root 3 by 2. Sin 750 1 by 2. Minus sin 750 minus 1 by 2. Cos 750 root 3 by 2. Therefore, finally we got a power minus 50 value is root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, root 3 by 2. This is answer for question number 43. This is very important in JEE Main 2019. This question asked. Okay. Now this answer is equal to the first option in your material. Okay. We will continue few more questions in atomic corner. I will send the detailed video. Okay. We will discuss few questions in atomic corner in matrices. So we completed KCET level questions. We completed JEE level questions. JEE we have less number of questions in matrices. Majority questions from determinant chapter. Okay. Now in atomic corner we will complete matrices questions. First question. For any square matrix, A into A dash is. For any square matrix, A into A dash is which type of matrix? Okay. I am finding A into A dash whole dash. This can be written as A dash whole dash into A dash. A dash whole dash is nothing but A into A dash. Then finally, A into A dash whole dash is equal to, we got A into A dash. Here plus symbol is there, that's why it is called symmetric. Minus symbol is there, it can be considered as skew symmetric. Here there is no negative symbol, that's why this is which matrix? Symmetric matrix. Then we can write A into A dash is symmetric matrix. That is option 2 is a correct answer. Next. Second question. A is symmetric matrix. Then we need to find M dash into A into M. This is the second question. In second question he mentioned A is a symmetric matrix. Then we need to find M dash into A into M. Okay. What is the condition for symmetric matrix? A dash is equal to A. Then from this we can write A dash is equal to A. But we need to find M dash into A into M. Now I am finding M dash into A into M whole dash. First we need to apply for the last matrix, M dash. Next second matrix, A dash. Next first matrix, M dash whole dash. That equals to M dash into, in place of A dash, can I take A? M dash whole dash is nothing but M. Then finally what we got? M dash A M whole dash is equal to M dash A M. Here also there is no negative symbol, That's why it can be considered as a symmetric matrix. Therefore, the answer M dash A M. This is which type of matrix? Symmetric matrix. This is the second question in this matrices concept. Okay, next. Third question. Our same method. A plus A dash is which type of matrix? Already in synopsis we discussed A plus A dash is symmetric, A minus A dash is skew symmetric. We'll prove how. Now finding A plus A dash whole dash, that equals to A dash plus A dash whole dash, that equals to A dash plus A. This can be written as A plus A dash. Left side what we have? A plus A dash whole dash. Here also which symbol is there? Positive symbol is there. That's why it can be considered as which type of matrix? Symmetric matrix. Therefore, A plus A dash is symmetric matrix. This is the next question. Okay. And one more thing. Sixth question. First we'll discuss the fifth question. Sorry. A equals to 1, A 0, 1. Then we need to find A power n. See, such type of questions, A power n we can't find directly. First we will find A square. Next we will find A cube. From that we can discuss A power n. Okay. First A square. A into A. 1 A 0 1. 1 A 0 1. If you apply the matrix multiplication 1 into 1 plus A into 0. 1 into A plus A into A 2A. 0 into 1 1 into 0. 0 into A 1 into A. This is A square, but we required A power n. If you apply this process, A power n is equal to 1 and A 0 1. This is the answer for question number 5. So we'll continue the remaining problems in the next class. Okay, can you please unmute and tell me how the class came today? Anyone? Akshita or Sinchana, Sneha? Anybody?
It was clear, sir.
Who is it? Akshita, it is clear?
Yes, sir.
It is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Anybody? Sinchana? Sinchana, please unmute. Sinchana?